Good morning. Well, today is Tuesday. We are here at the end of February. And this is Daniel McCrane with McCrane Associates, and this video is live. McCrane Associates works with business owners, small business owners, to increase their profitability, expand their scalability, and solidify their legacy. And we guarantee the work that we do in those areas as we work with small business owners. Well, today, what I want to share with you is a tax strategy that we use here at McCrane Associates. We want to make sure that as the business is building value and you're talking about transferring that business to someone else, we want to make sure that there's actually a structure there, that there's actually something in place that can be transferred to someone else. And so there's a strategy that we use, a tax strategy we use, a cash flow strategy that helps business owners to reduce their tax bill by thousands of dollars. Completely legal, completely according to the rules, the IRS tax code. Nothing, not even any loopholes. I won't even say any loopholes because loopholes imply a gray area that might be okay if we did this, or it might not. We don't know. We don't use loopholes. I don't want to give anyone the wrong impression there. If it's anything like that, like a loophole, any kind of gray area, we don't go there. So I want to be very, very clear. There's a really dramatic success story that came out of this strategy. Now, typically, I'm going to tell you that the strategy might save a business owner anywhere between 60 and 80% off of their tax bill from the previous year. Now, once it's in place, it's not going to save you 60, 80% every year because once you're there, it just brings you down to a new threshold, to a new way of operating business. But it can be a significant drop in taxes from the previous way that you were operating your business. So we had a case where we were working with a doctor who had a couple of clinics. The clinics were bringing in some very good revenue because when I tell you his tax bill came to $90,000 one year, the year before we started working with him, you'll understand that's some pretty good revenue that's coming into those two clinics, maybe three clinics. I don't recall now. But at least a couple of clinics. So that's a pretty sizable tax bill. So some pretty good revenue coming into that business. Now, this is a little bit of an outlier. I'm going to tell you this does not happen with everyone. So this is a little bit extreme. Like I said, usually it's between about 60 and 80% off of the previous year's tax bill. In this doctor's case, we implemented the strategy. He filed his taxes the following year and sat down with the tax preparer. Tax preparer shared the information with him and said, "Here's your tax bill this year. It's $9,000." And the doctor went, "What? From 90,000 to 9,000? Do it again." So the tax preparer actually went back, double checked the work, came back to the doctor and said, "Here's your tax bill. It's $9,000." So obviously, this is a huge dramatic change for that doctor's business. What that meant for this doctor is that in the coming year, he had more capital in the business to reinvest in the business. He was able to buy some equipment, upgrade some of the equipment and uh, furnishings that were in the clinics. He was able to hire a staff person. Can you imagine being able to expand your business because your taxes have been reduced so dramatically? Look, in any business, I can tell you any business out there, and I've confirmed this with accountants, any business out there, the three highest expenses in any business are payroll, employee benefits, and taxes. Now, look, I'm not going to tell you to get rid of payroll or employee benefits. There are people out there who can help you save on employee benefits. That's not my area. I can help you save on taxes. I can help you reduce that one expense in your business. And just think about it. Think about your tax bill last year. Even if all we did was cut it in half, how much more money would be in your business then, to be able to work in your business and expand? So, let me go ahead and throw my phone number and email address up here. If you want to sit down, if you want to learn more about this strategy and find out how maybe we could reduce taxes in your business, I'd be happy to have that conversation with you. Feel free to give me a call, send me an email, and let me know that you're interested in learning more about how to save taxes in your business. So, with that, have a great day, everyone. And